Did you know that 74% of people say public speaking is their #1 fear? Now imagine how that feels to a shy 10-year-old. There's a reason so many kids freeze up when it's their turn to speak in front of class or perform in front of others, but today we're going to talk about why magic is different. Because magic, especially when it's taught with shy kids in mind, can be the one kind of performing that actually works for them. It builds real confidence without the pressure of the spotlight. And I know this because I've lived it. When I was 7, I got a magic kit for my birthday. I was shy and quiet, not the kid raising my hand or volunteering to be on stage. And one time when I was about 8, a big-name magician asked for a volunteer. He came right down the aisle and pointed right at me. And I was like, no, thank you. I was too shy to go up. So he picked my brother instead. But by the time I was 12, I was performing in community theater. Magic gave me the confidence to speak up. It helped me feel more comfortable being seen, and eventually I started to actually enjoy it. That's why I love helping kids discover the same thing. So in this video, I want to walk you through a few things. First, why a lot of typical performance-based activities like plays or presentations can actually make shy kids more anxious. Then we'll look at why magic is different and how it gives kids a sense of control that helps them feel safe enough to step up. And finally, I'll show you why it's such a great way to build real confidence without ever forcing your child out of their comfort zone. So one of the parents in our program emailed us recently, I have it up here on my screen, and said something that actually made me a little teary-eyed. So it says, she used to be a little shy and take a while to get comfortable in new situations. Now she's doing coin tricks for the dentist and showing off false transfers for her classmates. Oh, false transfers are a sleight of hand thing that we teach our kids in our core program. Apparently someone was trying to do it with balled up paper, and she was like, oh, are you trying to do this? And blew their minds. I have had the joy of teaching this student for over 2 years, and I've seen the change firsthand. When she started, she was quiet, barely wanted to come off mute in the Zoom room during class. And now she's volunteering to perform first. She's giving other kids feedback, and she's really coming out of her shell. It's been so amazing to watch. That's what magic can do for a shy kid, when it's taught the right way, in a space where they feel safe and empowered. So here's the thing. Most performance-based activities just don't work for shy kids. Stuff like school plays, recitals, even presentations, they can feel totally overwhelming. The kid doesn't get to choose when they speak or how long they're up there or who's watching. And when they don't feel in control, it's more stressful than it is helpful. But presenting a magic trick feels different. It has structure, there's a method to it, a beginning, middle, and end. And the spotlight isn't really on the kid, it's on the trick they're doing. They're sharing something cool, and it doesn't feel like they're being watched. And what's great is, they get to decide when to perform, where, and who to show it to. That kind of control makes it feel safe. And that's what helps build real confidence. Every trick is a mini win, a small success that builds into something bigger. They don't even realize they're learning public speaking or emotional control because they're just having fun. That kind of confidence spills over into their social life and schoolwork too. And sometimes, kids who once hesitated to speak up, they start teaching the trick to someone else. Like you heard about my student earlier. They become the expert. And that moment when they show someone how it's done, that builds so much pride. They get to be the leader without ever needing to be the loudest kid in the room. That's why learning magic can be such a game changer for shy kids. If your child is shy, but you want to help them grow into a confident, expressive version of themselves, without pushing them too far outside their comfort zone, magic might be the answer. And if you're wondering where to start, since there are a million tricks on YouTube, and you just want one that actually works for your kid, I've got you. You can click right here to watch our acrobatic paperclip trick tutorial. That's hard to say. But it's simple, it's screen-free, and it's the kind of win that even the quietest kid can pull off and feel proud of. I'll walk you through exactly how it works and how to teach it to your child the right way right over here.